Hello friends, welcome back to Tech Talk, and today we will learn Java operators, part of the Learn Java Programming from Scratch tutorial series. Java operators. Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. We use the plus operator to add together two values. Let's see some example in action. Integer variable x equal to 10 plus 5. Let's run this code. Variable x, save this file and run. It should print obviously 15, and it does. Although the plus operator is often used to add together two values, it can also be used to add together a variable and a value, or a variable and another variable. Let's see example of those as well. One variable and one value. Let's get another integer type variable y, and we will add one variable and one value. So the variable is x plus and value of 5. Save this and run. Let's run this code, and we will print the value of y variable. Save it, and it should print 10 plus 5, which is 15, and 15 plus 5, which is 20. So this y variable should print 20. Let's run this, and it's printed 20. Let's get another example in which we will add up values of two variables. Let's get another variable type integer xy. So we will add up value of x and value of y. So x variable plus y variable. Save this code and run this code. And it's printing 35. So it's total 15 and it's total 20. 15 plus 20 is 35. So this example is working correctly. Java divides the operators into 5 groups: arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, and bitwise operators. Today we will discuss about arithmetic operators in this video. Arithmetic operators are used to perform common mathematical operations. Here I have created 3 variables x, y and xy to show you the example of arithmetic operators one by one properly, so that you can understand clearly how this each operator works in mathematical operations. Though I have already showed you how to use plus or addition operator, I will do it again. Let's see in the code editor. So this is one x and y. Value of x is 5 and value of y is 4. And first one is the addition operator. So we will add up two variables x and y. So it should print 9, or value of xy should be 9. Let's run this code, and it's 9. Next one is subtraction operator, which subtracts one value from another value. For example, y value is subtracted from x value. So let's subtract y value of y variable from value of x variable. So let's see, run this code. It should print 1 and it's already does. Next one is multiplication operator, which will multiply x by y variable or value of y variable. So let's multiply x by y variable or with y variable. Run this code and it should print 20 and it's 20. Another next one is division operator, which divide one value by another value. For example, x value will be divided by y value. So let's divide x with y. Save, and it should print out fraction number. Run this code and it's printing 1, not a fraction number. This is because the data type of all these variables are integer type, which is signed or unsigned full number, but none of these are fraction, so that's why it's printing integer instead of any floating point number. So we have to change all of this data type to float if we want to return floating point number. As the result should be floating point number, let's change the data type float, and this also float. Now it should print the result correctly. Yes, it's printing 1.25, which is the actual result. Let's go to the next one, which is modulus. Returns the division remainder. Modulus returns remainder after dividing one value with another value. So in the example, it will x modulus y means, or it will print remainder after dividing x value with y value. It should print remainder modulus. One. Yes, it's correctly returning 1, because if we divide 4 with 4, it will return 1, and if we divide 4 with 5 by 4, it should remain 1, because 5 contains 1 4 and 1 1. That's how it should remain 1. So this is the correct result, x modulus y, and result of this is 1. Next one is increment operator. Increment operator is to addition or to plus sign. So in the example, an increment operator increase variable value by 1. So plus plus double plus or plus plus x, that's mean value of x will be incremented by 1. Let's see. So here variable value of x variable is 5. Let's increment 1 by 1. It should print 6. Let's run this code again. 6. So it's incremented by 1. The actual value is 5, and after increment operator, it's printing adding up 1. Next one is decrement operator, which is double minus or minus minus variable, and variable is x, so it will decrease 1 by 1, value of x will be decreased by 1. So if we use decrement operator, this one decrement operator, then it will print 4, and let's run again, and it should print again 4, and it's 4. And this is arithmetic operators. I hope you understand well. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and like my Facebook page so that you don't miss the great opportunity to learn full course absolutely free. And don't forget to like and share my videos with your friends. If you have any questions or suggestion, please post it on the comment, and I will get back to you as soon as possible.